This is one of those crazy tools you think you'll never use. This is a giant pair of vice grips I got at Tractor Supply a long time ago. I don't remember if they were made in India or China, but this is like having a third hand because the jaw spread is so wide on it. I'm using it in this instance to put a toe board together. Most of the time I work by myself on projects, and having a third hand like these giant vice grips is the way to go. After I get done working on this, we'll take a closer look at these vice grips, because one thing I like about these, they're not made by Vice Grip, but they're high enough quality that they work well. They're cast iron, and they have a huge screw on the end of it. And what this does is it allows you to tighten the jaws after you close the pliers. It has enough mechanical advantage, unlike other vice grips, that you can turn the piece on the end here and increase the tension on the jaws. So we're looking at this giant pair of vice grips, and you can see they're actually huge. So they're about 1.5 to 2 foot long. The jaw spread is over 3 inches. That's a 2.5 inch screw. Now, the thing I really like about these is the adjustment here. And you can see it has a huge long handle that it forms the adjustment screw. And these are pretty large threads, so it gives you enough purchase where you can actually clamp this on something, and with the torque and leverage you have on this handle, you can actually tighten this thing up pretty good. Now, this line of tools at Tractor Supply had this weird orange camo pattern on them, so I don't think it was very popular because they discontinued it after about a year. But you could buy these discounted pretty cheap for a while. And this is an odd looking tool, but it's one of the most useful that I've had when I'm working by myself. I call this my third hand. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.